So there's three ways to remove a background natively within Windows, and it's pretty cool and pretty easy to use. The first one is you want to go over the photo right here and you want to right click on it. And you want to go to open with. Now, if you already have Photos set as a default, you can just double click and open the file, but you don't want it to be Photos Legacy. You want it to be Photos because this has all the new features. Open it up here, then you want to go up here where it says edit image. Okay, from here you want to go ahead and click this icon right here. This is going to be the background detection tool, and it uses the fancy AI and algorithms to figure out what the background is, and you'll see it sort of highlighted in the back like that. And if you want to remove it, just click that, hit remove, and it removes the background completely. You can also do fun things like if you want to blur the background a little bit more, or if you want to replace it and put like a different color texture or something on there, you can kind of do that. As simple as that. And you can adjust the background brush too as well. So if you turn this on right here and you go to add to mask, you can adjust the brush size. But let's say we want to remove the salad, let's say per se. Let's go into the tool here like this. Go ahead and kind of remove the salad, although this was a good salad and a very delicious pizza. You go just like that, and you can fine tune this if you want to, and you kind of hit the remove button. It's not a great way I did it, but you can see you can remove it right out of there and add it on there for you. And you can just kind of do that. We can go back to reset background, like that. Now, if we want to save this, you make sure you go up here to save options, and you want to hit save as a copy because you used to use PNGs, a PNG file, to be able to reserve the transparent background. So you can see there, it's a transparent background now, so you can apply it anywhere you want to. Now, there's more than one way to honestly do this as well too. There's another app you can use. You can use Paint to do this as well too. We'll bring this up. There's regular good old Paint. And if you hit the remove background icon next to the selection tool, it removes the background for you. But if you want it to be transparent, you need to go click on the layers icon here. And then over here, you want to hit the little white background here to make it transparent. And then the same exact method, you want to go ahead and hit save as and make sure to save it as a PNG file, another transparent background just like that. Now, if you just want to remove something from the image, what's pretty cool is you can use the Paint 3D tool and you can download this. This is free. And if you go into here, open up the photo, make sure you open up the photo directly, not just open up a new file. You want to go to Magic Select. And from here, you can actually choose and kind of where you want it to detect things. So you can kind of adjust this accordingly. Let's say we want to directly choose the pizza right here. Go ahead and click next. It's already kind of going to figure this out using algorithms and whatnot. And it's going to go ahead and select that as something you can remove or pop out. And you can either add or remove the cutout, additions if you want to, and sort of adjust that line. You can have autofill the background. This will use AI to be able to kind of restructure the background if you need to. Let's go ahead and hit autofill backgrounds found. Go ahead and hit done. Boom, it'll pop out like that, and you can kind of move this where you sort of want to. You can delete it if you want to as well, and the pizza's gone. And it kind of tried to generate the background. This isn't perfect. I can honestly fine tune this to make this a little bit better, but you can see it tried to kind of recreate the table here a little bit. And that's a kind of a cool way. If you just want to remove the background, we can hit Control Z obviously and bring it back and kind of manage this as any way we sort of want to. So those are really cool ways to kind of manipulate photos. Let me know which one works best for you, and yeah, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.